Almost anything, so just do what you love. Live it, share it, you know it's what you're dreaming of. What we love, what we do makes a difference in me and you.
Hey everyone, it's Pauline from Stamp with Pauline, Stamp and Stampede, and today I'm going to just show you how to do a card using the linen paper. Alright, so the linen paper is in the annual catalogue, and if we scoot over to page 138, you'll see it here. You get 2 sheets of specialty linen paper. They're 12 by 12 and they are adhesive on the back. They are they're natural acid free and lignin free. Okay, the other thing you'll also need that we're using is the decorative masks. So when you look in the catalogue on page 128, you have the decorative masks, and that's what we are actually going to be using today. The one that I am using is from the Plenty of Patterns. So I'll show you that. So just going to zoom out. All right, give myself a bit of room. All right. So this is the linen paper, and the decorative mask, you actually get 4 in the set. So you get this one. You also get these little flowers. I think they're lotus flowers. You also get the shells, and you also get this one which has a pattern in it. And I've actually done something with this one, and I'm okay with it. Because I felt that I liked a little bit more space with it. So what I've actually done is cut out sections to make bigger areas. So that's what I have personally done with this mask, is to actually make it slightly bigger sections. So what you're going to do is you get your piece of linen paper. Now I'll show you this one here. It's on a base card ready to go. What you do is you take your linen piece and you want to make it just slightly a bit bigger than the actual card size. So I'm going to make mine about 11 centimeters by about 15 centimeters. So now I have my piece of linen. What I then am going to do is lay down my mask over the top. Now you can actually go ahead and use some very light sticky tape to actually stick this down. But I just chose to hold on to it myself because I don't have any tape with me at the moment. I've run out. So using my shaded spruce ink pad and a shaded spruce dauber, I'm going to carefully just hold on to my mask and go gently around all of the sides to get a darker edge, and then just fill in the center piece. So heavy around the outer edge on all of the sides. And you're just colouring in all of the sections, like so. So just carefully moving my hand across. And then just filling in the blanks. I'm going to make some a few a little bit darker than I would, and then around here colouring it in. And it's not meant to be perfect. This is actually also done as a retiform technique, and you can actually use post-it notes to create this, but I felt the mask was a little bit easier to do. So now I have this background piece. I can remove my mask, get rid of my ink pad, pop everything out of the way. What I'm using now is the Christmas season stamp set. And you will need some post-it notes here. And what I did for this was lay a post-it note on the edge of the green, or my shaded area. Yours could be a different colour, but I'm making Christmas cards at the moment, so that's why I've chosen the green. So laying that down, taking my larger fern out of my stamp set, and then what I'm going to do is just ink up and popping down. And you can mix and match and move them to wherever you want, and then when you pull away the mask, the post-it notes, you're left with this image. So I won't show you how I've done all of it because it will be a bit tedious, but you will be able to see. I'll just get all of this out of the way for us. So this is actually what I then created. So I've used a combination of the little cherries and the acorns and the sprigs and the ferns, and I have actually laid that there. What you then do is you peel away the back side of this. Because I'm not sticking it onto another layer, so this is actually just very fine fabric, like calico, I suppose, if it's for a better word. So you can peel a bit away at a time, but I did find it didn't actually stick to itself. So it's not super tacky to start with, so you do have a little bit of give with it. So just making sure I end up with a nice frame around the outer edge, and then just gently roll it and just make it in line, and there I have my layer stuck to my card. And now all I have to do is actually go ahead and stick that now and to finish off making my card. So that's as easy as using the linen paper. So you can stamp on it, you can keep it plain, you can do whatever you like with it. And so all I need to now do is add my embellishments and a bit of ribbon on there, and I have another Christmas card. So that is our tutorial for today using the Stampin' Up linen paper. All right, thanks very much. Bye.
Do most anything, so just do what you love. Live it, share it,